Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an Easter picture. So since Easter's coming up, I just wanted to make like a little drawing and like a flip thing because I love Easter and it's really fun and it's like adorable bunnies, you know. So we're gonna be making eggs and Easter bunnies inside the eggs, and I really like that stuff. So all you're gonna need is a pen and a ruler and a paper. Okay guys, we're gonna do the drawing. So first you're gonna need a paper that is like, you're gonna need a paper that is 15 centimeters wide and a paper that is 20 centimeters long, like a rectangle. But we're gonna need it as a portrait. And we're gonna fold it in half. Okay, so let me just cut them out, these extra sizes. There you go, that's it. Now I'm gonna open the paper and I'm gonna put it back, and now I'm gonna like fold the bottom paper like in half, you know, like this, so it's like a flip, like that. So now we're just gonna take our pen and like we can use a pencil too. I'm gonna try and use a pencil first. Liking it. I'm not liking it that much, but like I'm loving it. So, well, right now I've got my coloring supplies right here. So, now I'm gonna start coloring. I have no clue what color I should color the rabbit. Cause like, I have never seen a rabbit before. Like, I've seen them, but like they're all brown and yucky. So like, I'm gonna paint it pink. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I really had fun making this little flippy rabbit, whatever you guys want to call it. And you guys can name it anything you like, and have a good Easter. Bye. Enjoy. Enjoy your little pet.